Hey guys, what's happening? How to transfer money to Kraken Pro. So, Kraken Pro and Kraken Wallet are all the same thing. You log in with the same credentials, the same password, and everything. The only difference is Kraken Pro is more for pragmatic stuff like adding, earning, or buying, selling, and all that stuff, right? And Kraken Wallet is responsible for buying, selling, buying for holding, not like trading, and selling the coin, and also exchange the one asset to another, right? So as you can see right here, if I click the portfolio at the bottom in Kraken Pro, you get to see the asset, right? And as you can see, you have right here the US dollar, which is the cash, right? And if I went to my Kraken wallet, it will be the same thing. So I'm gonna show it to you. Right, click right here that portfolio at the bottom, scroll a little bit down, and you get to see right here, as you can see, US dollar, right? So you get to find the same thing inside the wallet. So if you want to transfer money, right, if you want to send money, just go ahead and click the US dollar, for example, right? And you can withdraw the money, or if you want to transfer it to your bank account, hit withdraw, then follow the steps, and you can click the three dots if you want to send it to someone inside Kraken. So let's say I want to send it, and hit right here send, the bottom. You're gonna be able to send, let's say, $5, continue, and then add the crack tag or email, and then send or transfer that money to someone else on Kraken. So if you want to do withdraw, just go ahead and hit the withdraw like under the balance, right? And basically that's it. So the same asset will be in Kraken wallet, same as Kraken Pro. So that's one of the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.